A groundbreaking smart manufacturing event is coming to Pittsburgh, led by an executive committee of smart manufacturing professionals. The Smart Manufacturing Experience is the most influential event for leading smart manufacturing technologies. Smart Manufacturing Experience attendees want to explore these technologies and understand the critical need to embrace Industry 4.0. Be part of the experience and showcase your solutions. These advanced technologies are represented on the event floor and in multiple educational and engagement opportunities designed to increase attendees' awareness, knowledge, and expertise of smart manufacturing. The smart manufacturing market is growing, and we're offering you the opportunity to help transform manufacturing by sharing your innovations and taking advantage of these unique packages. Participation packages provide results-oriented promotional programs throughout the year and can include pre- and post-event visibility, a turnkey exhibit, and much more. Join us and be a part of the Smart Manufacturing Experience. We know manufacturing, and we understand the importance of intelligent manufacturing and its critical role in the future of our industry. Limited opportunities are available. Visit smartmanufacturingexperience.com/package to be a part of the experience.